Hey everyone, so I thought this was kind of interesting, something that I recently experienced yesterday. So I've been looking for a platform ladder, I guess is what you call them, well, a work platform. And I've been searching between Lowe's and Home Depot trying to find one that I thought I would really like and so forth. And I ran across this one right here, which is a Gorilla. It's made by Gorilla Ladders. It's about 8 foot by 12 inches wide by 20 inches tall. And it's only $45, $44.97. And then it looks like the next size up, which is a pro version, there is a difference between the two, but it's over double the cost. And so I decided to go with this particular one for, for some pretty cool features. Obviously, one is the price is really, really good, $44.97. It's got a handle that's right here in the middle of it to make it easier to carry. There, when the legs fold in, they're flush against the side of it, so it's not all big and bulky. So it's really small. See if I can find a picture of it folded up. Yeah, so you can see here how it's folded up. It's all really, really tight. You don't have it takes minimal space. So I decided yesterday actually to go pick one of these up. And I live in Naples, Florida, and we have multiple locations. And I wasn't really paying attention. I had to go to Lowe's for something else. And after I got done shopping to Lowe's, I thought, well, I'll just run by Home Depot. And I wasn't paying attention. I live close to the South Naples location. And I went by there and looked around and couldn't find it, and asked for some help. Come to find out, they didn't have it in stock. I would have known that if I'd looked, on the app. And then so as soon as I got to my car, I pulled it up on my app, and I had seen that there were 15 in stock. Well, I had things to do yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to run by the other location to pick one of these up. So first thing I did this morning is I took off out the door, and then I went to the other Naples location, and I saw a bunch of these there, but they were all priced at $72. And I'm like, something's not right. Something doesn't make sense. These things were only $44.97. And I went and I pulled it up on my phone, and here it is on my phone, and you can see it's showing $72. And so I'm like, crap, these things must have been on sale. I checked the SKU numbers and everything, and it's the same item. So I thought, well, it must have been on sale, or there's a pricing issue. And I'm not going to give people a hard time if they price something incorrectly. I think that's just a crappy thing to do to people. Mistakes happen. So I'm thinking, well, this $44.97 was just an accident. So I went on about my day. I left and went ahead and did whatever I needed to do. But I was kind of bummed out because I'm expecting that I could have got this thing for $45, and that was a pretty good deal. Now, I'd heard that some people got these at Black Friday for like 20-something dollars. And so even 44 was, to me, a really good deal on it. And so crazy enough, I get home, and I just, for giggles, thought I would punch in this platform, and it's still coming up $44.97 on here. And so, but when I look here, it's on the app, it's coming up at 72. Pickup store, and it shows there. And so I don't know what that's all about. And so if I attempt to do this online, so let's say that I want to do a pickup at the store. If I come here and I go to add it to the cart, Let's see, this is the location where I saw it. They had it and it was 72. Yes, I'll pick it up here. It's showing that it's $72 at that location. So I'm wondering if what happens if I pick a different location. So let's go back to this. Let's try it again. Still $44.97. So let's go to, let's click on it. Let's try picking a different location and see what it comes up. Pick up a nearby store, and this time let's check a different location. See if it'll let me. Change pickup store. So let's try Bonita Springs. They have them in stock there. Add to cart. That's not my zip code, so still $72. Look at that. So if I want to get this thing in store anywhere, I'm going to pay $72. But if I decide to have this thing delivered, it's going to be $44.97. So we'll deliver it to you. So the address that you're going to see on here is not my address. I haven't used that address in quite a while. But I'm going to see if I can try to block it out. Let's see if I can. So yeah, you can see it's now coming up at $44.97. Oh, it's not showing the address there. So if I have this thing delivered, it's $44.97. So my suggestion is, if anybody wants to get one of these Gorilla platform, it's only $44.97, and if it's what, $45, I think delivery options. I think it's got to be over $45 for a free delivery. Yeah, or free with $45 order. So you could order the platform and another item, or order two of those. And this is, would be delivered to me. Today's Thursday, so it would be delivered to me on Tuesday, which would be more than adequate. So anyway, I thought that was a nice little Easter egg. I don't know if that's intentional. I'm not trying to abuse the system, because again, I don't like it when people do that. So I wasn't going to go in the store and raise 9 kinds of hell with people about it. But if you guys are wanting to buy one or two of these, you can, this would be a good option to go ahead and just order it and have it delivered versus, buying it in the store. A lot of times buying direct and having it shipped direct is a lot cheaper, because, you don't have the truck going to the store location. Someone's having to unload the truck. They're having to receive it into the system. And then you have the physical checkout process, then the billing aspect of it. So it is a lot more costly with a brick and mortar store. But this is the SKU. The model number is GLWP-47. The store SKU is, what is it? It's a 100-327-6623. And then there's a store SO SKU. I don't know what that is. SO usually is sales order. But that number is a 100-3249887. So if you guys, want to get one of these, jump on it. As of right now, it's January the 16th. So if you're waiting for Black Friday, you're going to be waiting a while. But I don't know if I'm going to get one or two of these. I may go ahead and just get 2 of them. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. I thought it was pretty cool and thought I'd share it with you. So anyway, that's all I got. All right, take care. Bye.